After combining 1000 microliters of glucose reagent and 10 microliters of our control, we will now incubate our samples for 10 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, we need to get the tubes out of the incubator, and we will now test it. As you can see, it is very easy to identify which tube has the level 1 or level 2 control using our base law. So the higher the concentration, the greater or darker the color is. So the lighter pink on the right side contains our level 1, while on the left side, the darker pink contains our level 2 control. This is the aliquot of our level 2 control. There's the lot number and the date prepared. And this is our level 1 control. Lot number and date prepared.
Preparing an aliquot avoids the contamination of the whole bottle of our control.
Now we will start testing the lighter one or the level 1 control. Just aspirate the mixture. Then now the machine will start testing this aspirated liquid. The result of our level 1 control is 129.5 milligrams per deciliter. So we need to check out the range of our level 1. So the range is in between 95.5 to 129. Our result is more than 129. So for the level 1 control, we need to revamp the test. Of course, we need to clean the pipe of our machine, so we need to perform cleaning or washing, then press test. Now get that tube containing our levels to control. It's so dark. It is so obvious that our result will be high. So this result should be within the range of our level 2 control. In case that the result is outside the range, we need to rerun or repeat the control. Take note that these controls determine if our web machine is working properly or not. So, if our control is out of range, we cannot run patient sample until such time that the results of the control is within the normal range. This will greatly affect in our accuracy, so we need to follow those steps. Now the machine is reading our levels to control and it gets 316. For our level 2 normal range, we have 240 to 322 milligrams per deciliter. In this case, the result that we get is within the normal range. So now our level 2 control is accepted and we just need to repeat our level 1 control. So get a tube and pipette 1000 microliters of our glucose reagent. Set the pipette to 1000 and now aspirate the glucose reagent. Make sure that you will push it only until on the first step before submerging our pipette tips into the reagent. After that, slowly release, and now in dispensing from the first stop burst and then the second stop. Then eject our pipette tips. Close the reagent. Set the pipette into 10 microliters. After setting the pipette, get a pipette tip. The yellow one. Then pipette 10 microliters of our level 1 control. After that, dispense it to the liquid and then mix it. Place it in the incubator for 10 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. While waiting, let's set the machine for glucose testing. Select glucose and then choose which test do you want. If you want to test QC1 or test, you can choose what you want. I will just pick QC1 for now. Okay? Our result is 107 milligrams per deciliter. We need to check it if it is within the range of our level 1. The range for glucose on our level 1 control is within 95.5 to 129. 107 is within that range, so now our control is acceptable and we can now run patient samples. Accurate results will be obtained.